Welcome. Today, we are going to build an automated workspace that turns Claude Code into your own digital video producer. By the end of this build, you will have a system that automatically determines video length, animation style, and music choices, generating a complete production blueprint, so you don't have to plan these details manually. Before we begin, you need two things. First, an installed instance of Visual Studio Code. Second, a funded Anthropic console account, so you can generate an API key. You do not need any coding experience to make this work. We are going to build this using simple folder organization and plain English text. Completing this setup shifts your role from a manual video editor to an automated video director, letting the AI handle the heavy lifting of pre-production planning for you. Step 1 is setting up the environment. Open VS Code, create a new master folder on your computer, and run the terminal command to enter your Anthropic API key. This new folder acts as your primary workspace. Think of a workspace as a highly organized directory that serves as a dedicated brain for your digital assistant. To build its internal structure, we start with a foundational file called claude.md. Next, the commands folder stores reusable instructions for specific workflows. Beside that, the scripts folder holds code for background tasks. Finally, the context folder provides background knowledge for intelligent choices. Building this specific folder architecture gives the AI boundaries and memory, turning a standard chatbot into a task-ready digital employee. Now we fill the context folder. For a video producer, that means clearly defining our specific target audience and brand colors inside text documents. We start by writing an audience profile. We outline exactly who the target viewer is, what pacing they prefer, and the tone that keeps them engaged. As you type new constraints into the audience context file on the left, the AI instantly recalculates output parameters like color palettes and caption styles on the right. At this point, beginners make a major error. They try to operate their workspace by talking to the assistant through a single, never-ending chat thread. This creates context bloat. As the chat history grows, it eats up token memory. Your original rules and audience profiles get buried beneath the chat logs, and the AI's output becomes diluted and inaccurate. To prevent this, we configure a custom terminal shortcut that starts the assistant in YOLO mode. This allows the AI to skip asking for manual permissions for every file edit. We pair YOLO mode with the /prime command. This forces the AI to read through your entire context folder fresh every single time it starts up, ignoring old chat history. Stacking context in dedicated files and using the /prime command ensures the AI operates with high precision from a clean memory state every single time. The system is now primed. We can instruct the AI to generate our video parameters without manual tweaking. We use a prompt called /create_plan. This tells the AI to analyze our audience context and formulate a specific production strategy. The assistant autonomously maps out the logic, matching your audience profile to the ideal video duration, specific pacing rules, and exact audio requirements. Once the plan is ready, we type the /implement command. This authorizes the AI to read its own plan and write the final configuration code. In seconds, the system finalizes the variables. It locks in the total runtime, generates the voiceover script, and selects the optimal background music. The result appears in your workspace as a completed Markdown script containing all the final creative decisions formatted perfectly. Using this strict plan and implement loop offloads the mental burden of pre-production. You stop making granular decisions and start managing outcomes. Looking down at the VS Code terminal interface, we clearly see the successful completion state. The entire automated process is finished. Opening the generated report shows exactly how the AI mapped the variables. Every single parameter perfectly aligns with the target audience constraints we set in the context folder. If you follow these steps, you have successfully built a fully automated digital video producer, using nothing but a few folders and plain text commands. Now it is time to put this engine to work. You can test this exact automation system yourself right now. Click the interactive options on your screen to select your desired video length, animation style, voiceover language, and music track. The system will instantly generate a fully personalized video experience for you.